Hey, welcome back, artists. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little guinea pig character step by step. Then we're going to open a present or a gift, give this character something unique and fun, and then we need to add it to our Winter Wonderland. So we're going to add it to our scene along with many other characters as we draw them. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. To draw this character, it's really simple. We're going to start with a letter D like this. And then we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to draw an eye right here and another eye right here. On the D, we're going to add a nose. We're going to draw a little curved line here with two smaller curved lines inside of that. Let's draw the guinea pig's mouth. We're just going to draw a curved line here and then a line from the nose to the mouth. Let's add some big guinea pig teeth. I'm going to draw one slightly bigger than the other for a comical effect. And then we're going to draw a curved line right here for the cheek. Just like that, we have the face. Let's add some ears to our character. So just above the eyes, we're going to draw these fun little shapes like this for some guinea pig ears. With those ears added, now we can work on the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to rock our pencil back and forth. We're going to add a fur texture as we draw a line from the eye. And it's going to go all the way around, just like so. Adding a furry little guinea pig potato. Let's add an arm. We're going to draw two little lines here and cartoon fingers. I'm going to draw an arm on the other side as well. And add those cartoon fingers. With that done, all we need to do is draw the feet. So let's go ahead. We're going to add these cute little guinea pig feet. I'm going to draw one going this way with some little toes and another one going this way with little toes. And just like that, you drew a guinea pig. But now our guinea pig's going to get a gift, a surprise, a present. Let's see what it is. Okay, we're going to open this gift and see what our guinea pig is going to get. Spaghetti! Okay, let's add that to our character. Okay, so now let's add a plate of spaghetti to this character. And you can put wherever you like, on its head, in its hands, standing on it. But more importantly, let's add the spaghetti and the guinea pig to our Winter Wonderland. Okay, it's time to add our guinea pig to our Winter Wonderland scene. And I'm thinking maybe we drop it right here around this building. So I'm going to drag our character with its spaghetti right here. Shrink it up, of course. We don't want it huge like that. Okay, artists, I hope you had a blast drawing this character. Hey, check out those free lessons. I have an offer where you can try some lessons at Cartooniacs. I know you're gonna love it. Subscription, art site, commercial free. It's awesome. So I hope to see you over there. And I'll have another lesson here on YouTube real soon. So
grab your pencil and your paper.
And turn